According to the prosecution, the victim was allegedly gang-raped at about 11:40 p.m. on Sunday, 24th July 2022, by her boyfriend and 5 others who are all students of KNUST after she was lured to a location. The 6 were remanded into police custody during the first appearance at Askoremampong District Court. Since the Askoremampong District Court does not have jurisdiction to grant bail in such a matter, the lawyer for the 6 persons applied for bail at the High Court on Wednesday, but it was declined. Appearing before the Askoremampong District Court on Thursday, 18th August 2022, where the substantive matter is being heard, the court adjourned to 2nd September as the docket has been submitted to the Office of the Attorney General for advice. Speaking to journalists after the proceedings, the head of the Ashanti Regional Legal and Prosecutions at the Ghana Police Service, ACP Kofi Blagoji, says he is hopeful that the advice from the Office of the Attorney General will be ready as early as possible for committal processes to begin.
We still pay the court to remand the accused persons in our custody. And we alluded to the fact that there was a bail application at the High Court by counsel of the accused persons, but it was refused. So we brought it to the attention of the trial judge. And the trial judge went ahead to remand the accused persons for the committal proceedings to be started. Very soon, the AG will come and commence with the committal proceedings, after which the actual trial will be at the High Court. So this is exactly what we informed the court today.
The lawyer for the 6 accused persons, Richard Adudako, has also been speaking after his clients were denied bail.
We made our arguments to the High Court to the effect that they are students and they need to go back to school, especially when in September exams is going to commence. But the High Court disagreed with us for the safety of the students, that's the accused persons. They are saying that now the school environment is hostile because considering the alleged offense and the fact that the victim is also a student, it will be in their own interest, both the victim and then the students, to be in custody whilst investigations are still ongoing. And at an appropriate time, we will take steps and see what we can do to assist them. But I've always been saying that we don't condemn people because we believe that they committed some offense. If that offense has not been proven by any court, they are still innocent as we make that point. So now we are waiting for the committal proceedings to commence here, and then when that starts, and then we know which court we are going to for the proper trial. It may even get to a point that we may not have to go to court based on the evidence that will be before the court.
Richard Adudako also disclosed that the families of his clients have been going through difficult times following the incident.
They are very distraught about this situation and they are in difficult times because when you send your ward to school expecting that you'll be studying and then you get a call from the police or from investigators to the effect that they have committed an offense for which reason they are in custody, you will not be happy about that. But I must tell you that they also empathize with even the victim because, yes, though it has not been established yet, she's claiming that something like this has gone on. And their parents, they also have kids, they have daughters. They cannot overlook what the young lady is going through at the moment. So we all empathize with the young lady and the situation that she finds herself in at the moment. Psychologically, it may not be easy.
Meanwhile, the lawyer for the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, who observed court proceedings, says the university is working on processes to get 6 students suspended.
The issue as to whether to suspend them is not for me to make. The administrative processes that must go through, which we have not activated yet. When we do so, we'll let you know.
The matter has been adjourned to 2nd September 2022. For Citi News, I'm Edward Upon Marfo, Askoremampong District Court.